Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to set up Apple Cash and add it to your wallet for easy payments. So first of all, make sure you are at least 18 years old, live in the US and have compatible device with latest iOS, iPad OS or Vision Vision OS or Watch OS anything. Yeah, you will also need to set up two-factor authentication. Uh, so then go to get started, open the settings like you can on your iPhone, iPod, Apple Vision Pro or something like that. So this is how you can add money to your Apple Cash. Sorry, this is how you can set up first. You need to set up. So scroll down and tap Wallet and Pay option. This one here, and now turn on Apple Cash. You will be prompted to tap Continue to do. Then follow the honest instructions. Once set up, your Apple Cash card will be automatically appear in the wallet app ready for use. Now to use Apple Cash, uh, it's very easy. You can make like purchases using Apple Pay, transfer funds to your bank. This is how you can do. So click on the three dots here and then add money and then add the amount you want to add and the payment processor. And then simply when you want to pay someone, click on this pay icon or something and it's very easy. And if you want Apple Cash for a family member under 18, you can do that through Apple Cash Family. Uh, that we have the family sharing option, right? And that's all there is to it. You're all set to use Apple Cash in your wallet for secure and easy payments.